Alrighty, so what I'm going to show you today is how to make DC5 Integra axles fit your EG DC2 K-swap. So basically this is probably the cheapest way of doing it. There's a couple of bonuses for this. They're cheap, reasonably readily available, and they have the Honda joints. So Honda joints and shafts are pretty much the strongest you can get without going to some expensive aftermarket ones. So what we need to do is, this is the wheel end, and what we need to do is for this end, which is the end that goes into the gearbox and into the intermediate shaft, we need to swap those over. So the passenger side will be the driver's side and the driver's side will be the passenger side. So what you need to do is get this clip off first, and I'm just using a flathead screwdriver underneath it, and I got that one off, no worries. So I'll just go ahead and take this one off, and then I'll show you how they just basically pull off, and then you can swap them over and put a new one of these, to secure it on there. These factory ones, I don't even know whether you can get them. You get a more generic type which you kind of wind in with a special tool, so I'll show you that. So that, I don't know if you can see that, I just pried it with the flathead screwdriver. These are not reusable, so don't stress about ruining them or whatever. Just don't wreck the boot. If your boots are in good shape, you don't want to wreck these. So now we just need to pull these off, and then you get like a spring like this. This is from a CV joint boot set. You get one of these and you expand it out, and I'll show you, and you just tighten that back up on it. As you can see, it's a pretty messy job. I'm trying to set this so it doesn't get everywhere. Basically we just switch them over like that. This one goes on that one, and then that's all there is to it. I might actually change the grease on these because they look pretty bad. So as you can see, it's a really messy job. So this is the tool that I use to these straps in. So basically, yeah, you slide, you put that around the axle, the boot, you slide this through here, spin that, pull it tight, and then this just cuts it and you bend it over. So what I try and do is also, these are usually facing the way that the axle turns. So they're facing this way, so I will try and align this to be like the other straps, so they actually face that way on this one. Very greasy job. wind it down like that. Wait till it's nice and tight. Way around, bend it over. That's better. Then I just tap that part down. It's nice and flush, and then we can just bend these two tabs like that. Make sure to do it a bit more. Like that. That's the other side done. So now those are both swapped over and they should be the right length to go in.